there's also a 1956 Cadillac that is there that we might try to get as well, but I don't know. She probably wants a ton of money for it. It's an awesome car, but I'm going to try my best to get that for you guys so you guys can see that thing run. It would be so cool to get that thing running. So we'll see what we can do, but we're on our way there. Alright, well in the last episode, I told you that she had another car that you guys would really like to see get running, so we ended up getting it. So we're going to try to hurry up because it's pouring raining, but this is it. Ready? Boom. 56 Cadillac Eldorado. Check that thing out. Yeah, that is cool.
Alright, so the story behind this car is supposedly the guy lived in DC or something, visited DC every now and then this was his car when he came into town at a hotel or motel. He would leave it in the parking garage, and then eventually he just stopped showing up. So somebody, I guess, called the previous owner of this vehicle, the guy that we're getting the car from, told him to come pick the car up. But pretty cool car, pretty cool story behind it. You know, you wonder who had the car before. Was it somebody famous? I don't know, but pretty cool. You can sit out here and Lady wants to get rid of it.
Wow, look at that. That's so sick.
All the trim and bumpers and headlights and everything are in the back of the car and in the trunk.
Here, look at this. When you close the door, look, watch that. That is so cool.
Wow.
That's sick. Oh. That's not good.
How heavy is this?
Probably pretty big.
Look at that front end.
I know.
The fins on the back.
Oh, that's so cool, dude. Here, let's put it in the trunk. You could live, a family of 10 could live back. Crazy. Oh, huh. Look at that.
So you guys gonna try to fix this up or sell it apart?
Try to fix it up. Oh, look at the fog lights.
Have to steer it a little bit.
Ooh, it's got a 4.
Man, I think you should keep this thing. You look good in there. Get bit by a rattlesnake.
Yeah.
Dude, this is good.
Missing the door panels.
Sway bar bushings.
What?
It's got new sway bar bushings. God, I don't want to put my hand in here.
No key. But steering column's not locked. Hey, Kay, this thing says it has 49,000 miles.
Maybe, I don't know.
I don't know, but it might have rolled over. I don't know, the pedals look pretty good. Wonder what the guy was doing. We should put the song in there.
What?
Got the D's on the Cadillac.
All right, it started pouring, raining, and there was a huge thunderstorm coming, so we kind of got hurried up and loaded it up and hit the road. But we got it loaded up, so we're on our way back, and then we'll give you a good walk around. Well, it's the next day, and I've done a little bit of research on the Cadillac Eldorados. So this is an Eldorado Seville, and so pretty much this one is like the top of the line Cadillac you could get, except for the convertible version. And this one's a vinyl top too, which is kind of cool. So what's pretty cool about this one is it has the gold package. So it has the gold grille with gold emblems on it. And the coolest part is these are not hubcaps. These are the actual wheel. So it's super cool, and it has a spare that matches in the back. Probably worth more in the car. But these are really cool. And I don't know if these are cast aluminum back then. They're really cool. But these wheels are probably pretty valuable, pretty hard to find. What also makes it pretty rare. Get that open.
I haven't even seen it.
Come on. Oh, what also is cool is it has the 6-liter. I don't remember the displacement.
Yeah, it's a 6-liter.
Yeah.
Then there is a 6-liter or a 5.4 liter.
Yes. 5.
So we haven't narrowed that down yet, but I'm pretty sure it's a 6-liter.
Yeah, because it has a dual carburetor,
Yeah.
dual 4-barrel. So, and it has power steering.
Check out the washer fluid reservoir.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Glass.
And it's all GM. And then it has this really neat linkage. It goes all the way from the bottom and then pushes the power brake booster, which doesn't have a cap on it, so that's probably good. This is kind of interesting. So I don't know much about Cadillac motors, but I know back then Cadillac made their own motors. But like, it's got the oil or the fuel pump is on top here, but it runs like right on top of the heater core hose, and then you pop that up, you can see the rod that moves it. It's kind of crazy.
They can't see it, but
And it's just like wild. Like,
that's kind of easier because normally, like like a newer Chevy or something, the fuel pump would be down.
Yeah.
Hard to
running
get
off
to.
the crank, I guess.
Yeah.
But this one's off the cam. I guess does it run off the cam? No, it does have a rod. It probably runs off the cam too, but it's just down.
Or the front.
Um,
Oh, that's the Look at that battery, guys.
yeah,
Freaking huge.
it's like a tractor battery. Good luck finding that one. But it is 12 volt. 52 was the last year for 6 volt. I was scared that
On
it was 6 volt
Cadillacs?
on any Chevy.
Yeah.
Any.
Yeah, supposedly they only made something like 2,100 of these. That's what we found so far. So I don't know. Pretty cool.
Yeah, it's pretty. It's not very common. So the inside is taken apart. It looks like, I don't know if when the guy died he was gonna restore it. It looks like it's already been restored like a long time ago. It's definitely been painted.
Yeah, you can see like where's it? Oh, here's like cracking and stuff.
Yeah. The paint's just very old and shot, and it doesn't look like they did the greatest job.
Yeah.
I don't know if he painted it and he left it and then died, or if he got it painted, parked it, was putting it back together. I don't know. But anyway, so the interior is kind of all in pieces, which is gonna be the tricky part. Is I mean, it's all taken apart, but it's hopefully all the parts are there, and like the seats and stuff is in really good shape. Door panels are in the back, but they're not the aggressive shape. So. Anyway, the trunk is where all the parts are. Hopefully There's keys to it.
Yeah, there's no keys, and the trunk's like taped over, so I'm sure that's good.
Don't want that to lock.
Yeah.
Then you lose all your parts. But yeah, look, we have a spare of that really cool wheel. Check this out. North Jersey. So this thing came from the Northeast, I guess. Automotive flea market and auto show, 1984.
Oh.
And it's cool because it must have been a pretty nice show because it's like Buick Club of America, Restored Rusty Relics Club. Like they have all these clubs and stuff. Like that's pretty cool.
Well, in the 80s, clubs were a big thing.
Yeah. Anyway, all the parts are here and they're all labeled. So it's like he was putting it together, or he took it apart for some reason. I don't know why he would have taken it all apart like this unless he's gonna paint it. That's my thing. Like, you look at the paint under here. Like, it's pretty good shape. Like, he just painted it, But then obviously it's been sitting outside for however long. Like, I think she did like 10 years or something.
Yeah.
Right?
Well, there's this. Oh, here it is. There's a 95 DC government expiration thing.
Yeah.
At least it was whatever in the mid 90s.
Yeah. It's been off the road for a long time. These are the old school tires too.
Yeah. Dude, both of the stuff we've gotten recently.
I know, have the old tires.
Tires hold air. And people on TikTok were saying there's no way that's a real tire.
They don't make tires like they used to.
I know, look, this thing, we haven't put air in any of these tires.
Yeah, that's definitely been sitting for 10 years, and that's definitely sitting for 20 years in the woods. So, I mean, they were low, but I mean, they were holding air. I mean, they've held air ever since.
I mean, it's been what? A month?
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Oh, it's a project and a half. Like, it's a big project. So, I think I'm just going to try to, obviously not going to mess with it. Get it running and put all the parts to it. And I don't need to keep that car. I already got this one, so I don't need to keep any more cars. Anyway, we're going to try to get it running. I got to find some battery that fits in there. But, it turns over. I cranked it by hand. And then we got to figure out the key. There's no key, so hopefully we can find that. If not,
find the solenoid.
Yeah. Well, it's just, I don't know how that works. I don't know. I don't know anything about these.
Yeah.
That is easy.
This is uncharted territory.
Yeah, I've never done this before. So, it's just cool. They just really cool. Really cool car. So it's pretty rare. It's got.
We found out it's got a 4-speed hydromatic.
Yeah, it's a 4-speed automatic transmission in '56. It's pretty advanced for the day. I don't think they made 4-speed automatics until 80s or 90s.
Yeah.
Regularly. But it's pretty neat.
Mm-hmm.
The emergency brake, that wheel, it just wasn't pushed in all the way.
That's weird because the other one spun.
Yeah, I think it's it just wasn't enough. I actually put it on. Oh, and check this out. It's park neutral.
That's
drive,
what I was saying last
low,
night.
Reverse.
It's the opposite. Usually it's Prindle.
Yeah.
This one is different. But yeah, supposedly, it shows 49,000, and the pedals kind of look like it's 49,000. So. Yeah. Hey, check this out. This is how they used to do oil change stickers.
Yep. Screw it in the car.
Yeah, screw it in the car.
I bet you this is where the motor is for the windows.
Well, this is see, look, there were vents or something that went into the door
here.
here.
And they come out here.
Yeah.
That's your AC back then.
Yeah.
Actually, does this has air conditioning? That's not enough.
I think. Or it's heat.
No. It's just got a big generator.
No, it doesn't have AC. There's no condenser.
I don't even know when they started putting ACs in cars. I think it was in the 50s though.
Yeah.
This thing will definitely run. It turns over good. So, yep. Well, that's it. It's pretty cool. So, hopefully, in the next few videos, we'll go through all the parts that we have and figure out what we don't have, and then go through that lady's barn and figure out where they are.
If there's anything else left in there.
And then we'll try to get it running. You can see the difference.